Hey there, LickNRiffers! I can't tell you how good it feels to finally say these words again, because I've missed you. I've missed you terribly over the past 15 months, if you can believe it. It's been a while. And before I tell you exactly what happened, and before I tell you what's gonna happen from this day forth, you're gonna love this. First, I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology for just disappearing, just out of the blue, without any explanation. And exactly after I announced my signature guitar, ironic, but that's life. Sometimes bad things and good things happen simultaneously. And that's what happened. This year and a quarter was a pretty rough time for me and my family. A family member went in and out of hospitals, a very close family member, and many other little things happened as they usually do in life, but I wasn't in a mentally good place at all for a while there, and I just felt like I needed to refocus and rebalance and find myself again creatively and musically. I felt a little burned out as well, and everything just piled up, and that's just how it goes sometimes. So I want to thank you for still being here, for watching this video, for being my beloved LickNRiffers, and for sticking with me, and to everybody who wrote me. So many of you have written me emails and private messages inquiring about me and my health and my situation, and I just want to thank you for the love. So here's the plan. I'm going to, once I'm over this mini flu that I'm going through, I'm gonna start uploading daily videos, daily lessons and videos of myself playing, and it's gonna be long videos, short videos, covering everything under the sun that has to do with music, with creativity, and with the guitar. And what I want you to do right now is to write me exactly what you'd want to learn from me, exactly what you want me to show you, what to walk you through, and don't limit yourself, okay? Be as wild and as specific as possible. If you want to learn acoustic guitar, fingerstyle, strumming, soloing, electric guitar, bass guitar, banjo, ukulele, banjo-lele, and I would like to invite you, I have prepared a special masterclass called From Amateur to Awesome, and you're welcome to come join me on the live broadcasts, okay? So the link is in the description, and I'll see you very, very soon on LickNRiff, okay? So I'll give you a few days to leave me comments and to write me exactly what it is you want me to teach you. And then I'm gonna take everything you asked and I'm gonna make you lessons for everything. And we're gonna start having daily LickNRiff videos, taking LickNRiff to the next level. Okay, no more weekly lesson, daily LickNRiff videos. That's the goal. All right, so go ahead, write me, and I'll see you the next video. I love you so much.